Welcome to Bubble Art Kids. Hello kids! Today we will learn about egg word family. E says A, G says G. Together we say egg. L, egg. Leg. My leg is strong. B, egg. Bag. Clip the clothes with a bag. B, egg. Beg. Do not beg for toys. G, egg. Keg. The keg is big. M, egg. Meg. Meg is my friend. H, egg. Hag. Let's read hag. Z, egg. Zeg. Say zeg slowly. D, egg. Tag. We read tag. Egg. Feg. Sound out feg. D, egg. Dag. Let's learn dag. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye-bye.